then gave birth to King Mswati II. And King Mswati II, the elder sister, which was Princess Johanna, then because of making peace, then the father said it's better she gets married to the leader of one of the army of the British. Now by that time they've already started identifying the gold rush, which happened in the early 1800s in Johannesburg. But by then, it was not called Johannesburg. All these places were given name by the whites. So when Johanna was here, they were staying in Sophiatown. Where is Sophiatown? From the city of Johannesburg to the north, that whole farm, those farms, there are 6, they were called Sophiatown. That is why when we read the history of 1952 at school, of the forced removal of the people in Sophiatown to be taken to Soweto or to be taken to Tembisa, it was because they were staying right in the cities. They built these cities. Carlton Center was built by one of my grandfathers in 1962 and 1963. So the myth of saying that there was nobody when the white man came here, it is not true. So Johanna, when she was now married on the discovery of the gold rush in the 1882 phase time, married to a British man. Then he fell sick and he died. So when it was the whites that put on the cross, saying we are going to remember who? Johanna. And this place is going to be called Johannesburg. That is how the name came of Johannesburg.